Hey everybody, we got another homeschool recap. We had a fun day today. Did a little physics by looking at the eye. And when we looked at the eye, we looked at the retina, we looked at the lens, we looked at the iris and the cornea of a cow eye. It was like massive. It was like this big. Well, okay, no, it was like more like this big. And I'm joined here by Jackson, who helped us out. Jackson, what do you think about that eye dissection?
Ew.
All right, well, that kind of sums that up. Let's take a look at some pictures of this fun dissection. All right, so we were taking a look at this, and just check this baby out. Take a look at that lens that we were pulling out of the cow eye. What do you think of that? Oh boy, I mean, that is so cool. You've got a lens there. You've got the jelly vitreous humor. It's just yummy. Here is Jackson with his, here we go. Here's Jackson with holding the lens. You can see how excited he was. Tell us how excited you really were, Jackson. Okay, well, my keyboard doesn't look very good anymore. So here's another picture of a layer in the eye. You can see here in this eyeball, we've taken out the lens. You can see the iris and this shiny iridium looking layer. That's called the tapetum, and that is a partially reflected layer that allows scattered light that made it past the retina to be reflected back onto the rods and cones so that the cow eye doesn't waste any of the photons of that light. Isn't that a beautiful layer, Jackson? That is so cool.
I'll be right back.
Anyway, that's a pretty picture, right? And then what about this? Here's our group here, having a lot of fun. We're all holding the lens. You can see that some folks liked it better than others, but it was still a lot of fun. It was a blast. And then let's just show this. I took a little close-up of that eyeball. You can see the ridges of the retina. You can see the cornea behind the pupil. It's so cool. It's just so cool. So anyway, Jackson, do you have any final words you want to say?
Yeah, one thing.
Well, we had a lot of fun. Anyway, it was a good day. Hope you have a fun day. We had a fun day, and we'll see you next time. All right, bye.